read an interesting story about Alfred Nobel, the founder of the Nobel Prize Award. In 1888, Alfred Nobel's brother Ludwig died while he was visiting Cannes, and a French newspaper erroneously published Alfred Nobel's obituary that he died already, mistaking him for his brother Ludwig. But what shocked Alfred Nobel was how the obituary described him as someone who devoted his life making weapons of war. Dr. Alfred Nobel was known as the inventor of the dynamite. He also owned an iron and steel company which he transformed into a major manufacturer of cannons, torpedoes, and other armaments. The obituary that he read in the newspaper stated, "The merchant of death is dead." Dr. Alfred Nobel, who became rich by finding ways to kill people faster than ever before, died yesterday. The shock of reading, seeing his own obituary and its condemnation of his work and life had a profound impact in his life goals. That morning, he turned his energies in the new direction. Instead of war, he turned his energies to promoting world peace and human betterment. Today's readings focus on repentance, turning our life into a new direction. The prophet Isaiah and Psalm 72 remind us of the peace and justice that Christ brings. St. Paul in the second reading encourages us to live in harmony with one another, accept one another in goodwill, rejoicing in God's mercy. In the Gospel, John the Baptist calls us to repentance. Repentance simply means reassess our life goals. And if we are in the wrong direction, we turn to a new direction. And the sign of repentance, a sincere repentance, St. John the Baptist says, is by having a good fruit, by bearing a good fruit. Before we continue our Mass, let us pause for a brief moment of self-reflection. Advent is a good opportunity to reassess our life goals, to seek to understand how God continues to call us to repentance and active discipleship. May the season of Advent strengthen our hearts and guide our journey of faith.